Vasu from Vibrant Academy. Here we find KOTA faculty with best experienced teacher and well-trained teachers. They help us to find our motive like IIT aspirants and JEE and NEET. They help us to score IIT or NEET in competitive exams. Here we find study materials with different models like different questions like JEE, NEET, advanced and everything. Here we find well-trained teachers. They help us to find our motive and succeed in our every step. They help us to provide many questions like in our study materials. Our study materials has different types of questions with different models. Thank you, Vibrant, for leading to me to success. Hi.
I'm Sahasra Bale from Vibrant Academy. Here the Warangal Center offers excellent infrastructure with well-equipped classrooms. The faculty here are highly experienced and they use modern teaching aids to help us get the core of the concept. The hostel rooms here available are very comfortable for the outstation students and the food served is top quality food. Thank you.
My name is Hemant Chauhan. I'm from a normal school of a state syllabus. And I have joined this college with a lot of expectations and I have fear about this college because this college started first time in Warangal and actually I want to change my college but I didn't find even one single reason to change this college and my mindset was totally changed by seeing this excellent faculty from the KOTA, and this academy provided all the facilities which are required for a student who is preparing for an IIT, and I have a lot of confidence that not me, even an average student can have the confidence by seeing this faculty that he can crack even IITian. From my side, an MPC student, this is the best college to join for cracking IIT or mains. Thank you.